So, before heading out on our journey to Southeast Asia, my travel insurance firm Gobyava offered us a stopover in Turkey for a week. Presently, I'm here in Istanbul, sipping a Turkish coffee before heading out to start the adventure that lies on the road ahead. Fortune Adventures ranked #1 in the region of Antalya as the ultimate go-to for extreme outdoor activities such as canyoning, rafting, trekking and more. They have more than 8 years experiences guiding trips along Kröpülü Canyon. Our stay with Fortune Adventure was amazing and fun under the careful supervision of Mehmet Simsek, which is the owner of the agency. But it's time for us to get back on the road to start the next leg of our adventure. Continuing our trip, Reaction Paragliding invited us to Ölüdeniz, Turkey known to be one of the most beautiful paragliding spots in the world. Upon our decision to take the big leap, we made our way to the peak of Gobyava mountains, standing at 6,460 feet, and on that day, flight conditions were just perfect.